Time is the one resource that every human receives equally. Rich or poor, young or old, successful or struggling. Every single day, you receive 24 hours. No more, no less. Yet somehow, some people build incredible lives, while others stay exactly where they are. The difference isn't talent, it's priorities. Modern life is designed to steal your attention. Social media, notifications, endless entertainment, comfort. Distractions are everywhere. Every minute you spend consuming instead of creating, you slowly trade your future for temporary comfort. Imagine if someone handed you $86,400 every morning, but anything you didn't spend disappeared forever. You'd never waste it. Yet every single day, you're given 86,400 seconds. Most people spend them without thinking. The truth is painful. You don't need more time. You need fewer distractions. Today, if you've ever seen 10 powerful lessons that will completely change the way you celebrate your time, I am going to tell you in this video, and ultimately, change your life. If you are new to this channel, let's start the video by subscribing. 1. Time is your most valuable asset. Money can be earned back. Health can often improve. Skills can be learned. But time never returns. Every second you waste is permanently gone. Think about that. The average American spends hours every day on their phone. Hours that could have been invested in learning, building, creating, improving. Imagine investing just one focused hour every day into a meaningful skill. Reading, writing, coding, fitness, public speaking. After 1 year, you wouldn't be the same person. Small investments create massive results. Successful people don't protect their money first. They protect their time. Because they understand something most people never learn. Time creates everything else. 2. Distraction is the modern enemy. Your biggest competition isn't another person. It's distraction. Every notification steals focus. Every unnecessary scroll steals momentum. Every excuse delays progress. The companies behind your favorite apps spend billions of dollars trying to keep your attention. Because attention has become one of the world's most valuable currencies. The question is, who owns yours? Every time you unlock your phone just for a minute, ask yourself, am I choosing my future or someone else's business model? The most successful people aren't simply productive. They're intentional. They decide where their attention goes, instead of letting the world decide for them. 3. Your future is built by daily habits. Nobody changes their life overnight. They change their habits. Every successful person you admire lives differently because they think differently. And they think differently because they repeat better habits. The gym isn't hard. Going consistently is. Reading isn't difficult. Reading every day is. Saving money isn't impossible. Doing it month after month is. Success isn't created by one incredible day. It's created by thousands of ordinary days, done extraordinarily well. Stop waiting for motivation. Build habits that work even when motivation disappears. Because discipline will take you farther than inspiration ever could. 4. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. One of the biggest lies people tell themselves is, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. Next month becomes next year. And before you realize it, years have disappeared. The perfect moment doesn't exist. Successful people aren't fearless. They simply refuse to let fear decide their future. Every expert was once a beginner. Every millionaire once had an empty bank account. Every athlete once struggled with their first workout. Every entrepreneur once launched something imperfect. Progress always begins before confidence. Waiting keeps you exactly where you are. Action changes everything. Start before you feel ready. Because confidence isn't found before action, it's created by action. The sooner you begin, the sooner your future begins changing. 5. Learn to say no to something unimportant. You're saying no to something that truly matters. No is one of the most powerful words successful people use. No to distractions. No to toxic relationships. No to endless scrolling. No to unnecessary drama. No to comfort. Protecting your time isn't selfish. It's responsible. Your future depends on your ability to protect your priorities. Think about the most successful people you know. They don't do everything. They do what matters most. Focus creates excellence. Distraction creates average. You don't need more hours. You need fewer interruptions. 6. Master deep work. Today's world rewards people who can focus. Unfortunately, focus has become rare. Most people check their phones dozens of times every day. Every interruption resets your concentration. Imagine trying to fill a bucket while someone keeps poking holes in it. That's what distractions do to your productivity. Deep work means eliminating everything that steals your attention. Close unnecessary tabs. Turn off notifications. Silence your phone. Work with complete focus. 1 hour of deep work can accomplish more than 5 hours of distracted effort. The people who master focus master success, because extraordinary work requires extraordinary attention. 7. Your circle shapes your future. Look around you. Who influences your thinking? Who encourages your growth? Who challenges you to become better? Your environment quietly shapes your future every single day. If you're surrounded by people who complain, you'll eventually complain. If you're surrounded by people who chase greatness, you'll begin chasing greatness too. Energy is contagious. Ambition is contagious. Discipline is contagious. Choose your environment carefully, because your future often reflects the people closest to you. The right circle won't let you settle. They'll remind you of your potential, especially when you forget it yourself. 8. Embrace discomfort. Most people spend their lives chasing comfort. Comfort feels safe. Comfort feels familiar. But comfort rarely changes your life. Everything meaningful lies on the other side of discomfort. Growth is uncomfortable. Learning is uncomfortable. Failure is uncomfortable. Discipline is uncomfortable. The strongest people aren't those who avoid discomfort. They're the ones who welcome it. Think about an athlete. Every championship begins with painful training. Think about a successful entrepreneur. Every thriving business started with uncertainty. Think about the person you want to become. That version of you exists, but only if you're willing to do what your current self avoids. The next time something feels difficult, don't run from it. Ask yourself, is this making me stronger? Because every challenge you overcome expands your confidence. Every obstacle you conquer prepares you for something greater. Your comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing grows there. 9. Act before you feel ready. There will never be a perfect time. There will never be a day when fear disappears completely. Successful people understand something most people don't. Action comes first. Confidence comes later. Too many dreams die because people wait until they feel ready. But readiness is created by movement. Imagine learning to swim. You can't master it by standing on the edge of the pool. You have to get in the water. The same is true for life. Want to start a business? Begin. Want to get fit? Train. Want to write a book? Write the first page. Want to change your life? Take the first step today. Small actions repeated every day create extraordinary transformations. The distance between where you are and where you want to be is filled with action, not excuses. 10. Your future starts today. 5 years from now, you will become someone. The question isn't if. The question is who. Will you become the person who kept postponing? The person who always had another excuse? The person who waited for motivation? Or will you become the person who decided that today mattered? Because your future isn't built tomorrow. It's built today. Every decision matters. Every habit matters. Every hour matters. Every choice becomes part of your identity. The life you dream about isn't created by one massive breakthrough. It's created by thousands of ordinary decisions, made consistently. Don't underestimate today. Today is where your future begins. 1 year from now, you won't remember the videos you scrolled past, the hours you wasted online, or the excuses you made. But you will remember the day you finally decided to change. Time is moving, whether you move or not. The clock never pauses. Life never waits. Every sunrise is another opportunity. Every sunset is one less chance. The decision is yours. Stop waiting. Stop procrastinating. Stop wasting the life you've been given. Start building. Start learning. Start improving. Because the best time to change your life isn't next Monday. Isn't next month. Isn't next year. It's today. If you're done making excuses and you're ready to take control of your time, comment below. Today, I start. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Write those 3 words as a promise to yourself. Subscribe for more videos on discipline, success, mindset, productivity, and self-improvement. Remember this, successful people don't have more time than you. They simply choose to use it differently. Now close this video, put your phone down, and go build the future you'll be proud of. Your time is your life. Don't waste either.